Passiflora edulis, can be one of the most rewarding experiences for anyone who enjoys harvesting fresh, tropical-flavored fruit at home. From preparing the soil to picking fully ripened fruit, every stage requires attention, planning, and consistent care. In this complete guide, you will learn how to grow passion fruit successfully, following the natural progression from site selection to harvest, designed for home growers and small backyard spaces. Passion fruit grows on a vigorous climbing vine that thrives in warmth and sunlight. The first and most important step is choosing the right location. This vine needs at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight each day. A sunny fence line, trellis, arbor, or pergola works perfectly because the plant naturally climbs and spreads. Good airflow around the plant is essential to reduce excess moisture on the leaves and help prevent fungal problems. Soil preparation forms the foundation of strong, healthy vines. Passion fruit prefers well-draining soil rich in organic matter. The ideal texture is loose and slightly sandy, while still capable of retaining moisture. Before planting, loosen the soil 12 to 18 inches deep. Remove rocks, old roots, and compacted soil. Mix in compost or well-aged organic matter to improve both fertility and drainage. The ideal pH level ranges from slightly acidic to neutral, about 6.0 to 7.0. If necessary, soil amendments can help balance pH levels. You can grow passion fruit from seed or from a young transplant. Starting from seed requires patience, but can be very satisfying. Fresh seeds germinate best. Rinse seeds to remove pulp and let them dry for about a day. Plant them about half an inch deep in containers filled with light, well-draining potting mix. Keep the soil evenly moist but not soaked. Germination usually takes 2 to 4 weeks, depending on temperature. If planting a transplant, dig a hole twice as wide as the root ball but no deeper than the plant was originally growing. Place it carefully into the hole, backfill with enriched soil, and press gently to eliminate air pockets. Water thoroughly after planting to help roots settle into the surrounding soil. Because passion fruit vines grow quickly, installing support early is critical. A strong trellis system made of sturdy posts and heavy wire works well. As the vine begins to extend, gently guide the tendrils toward the support structure. Avoid forcing the stems. Instead, loosely tie them if needed. Early training builds a solid framework that will later support heavy fruit production. Watering must remain consistent, especially during the first growing season. Passion fruit roots prefer evenly moist soil. Deep watering once or twice per week is generally more effective than shallow daily watering. During hot periods, additional watering may be necessary, but avoid oversaturating the soil, as standing water can damage roots. Adding a layer of organic mulch such as straw or wood chips around the base helps conserve moisture and regulate soil temperature. Keep mulch a few inches away from the stem to prevent rot. Fertilization supports vigorous growth and fruit production. During early development, apply a balanced fertilizer to encourage healthy leaves and stems. When flowering begins, switch to a fertilizer slightly higher in potassium to promote fruit formation. Compost applied throughout the season provides steady nutrients. Avoid excessive nitrogen, as it can stimulate too much leafy growth and reduce fruit yield. Flowering is one of the most striking stages of passion fruit growth. The blossoms are intricate and often open for just one day. Pollination must occur during that short window. Many varieties depend on insect activity for pollination. If pollinator presence is low, hand pollination can improve fruit set. Using a small brush, gently transfer pollen from the anthers to the central stigma during morning hours when flowers are fully open. Pruning is essential for maintaining airflow, productivity, and manageable growth. After the first year, remove weak, damaged, or overcrowded stems. Focus on maintaining a few strong main vines and trimming excessive side growth. Proper pruning encourages new fruiting shoots and makes harvesting easier. Always use clean, sharp pruning tools to reduce the risk of disease transmission. As fruit develops, it grows steadily over several weeks. Initially green, it gradually changes color depending on the variety, often turning deep purple or bright yellow. One clear sign of ripeness is natural drop. Many passion fruits fall to the ground when fully ripe. Check beneath the vine daily and collect fallen fruit promptly. The skin may appear slightly wrinkled when the pulp inside reaches peak sweetness. Monitoring for pests and disease is part of routine care. Inspect leaves regularly for signs of chewing insects, discoloration, or spots. Remove affected leaves if needed. Maintaining good spacing, balanced watering, and healthy soil greatly reduces most common issues. Strong, well-fed vines are naturally more resilient. In areas where temperatures occasionally drop, protection from frost is important. Passion fruit vines are sensitive to freezing conditions. If a cold night is expected, cover the plant with frost cloth or breathable fabric to protect tender growth. Even if vines are damaged by cold, established root systems may send out new growth once temperatures warm again. Harvest season is the most satisfying stage of the entire process. Ripe passion fruit feels slightly heavy for its size and often has a sweet fragrance. You can allow fruit to drop naturally or gently twist mature fruit from the vine. Inside, the pulp surrounds edible seeds filled with aromatic sweet tart juice. Fresh passion fruit can be eaten raw, added to beverages, blended into sauces, or used in desserts. Growing passion fruit at home is not only about producing fruit. The vine itself becomes a living structure, adding vertical greenery, shade, and beauty to your outdoor space. With proper soil preparation, steady watering, strong support, thoughtful pruning, and attentive observation, passion fruit vines can remain productive for several years. The journey begins with a small seed or young plant and ends with vibrant, aromatic fruit in your hands. By understanding each stage of growth and responding carefully to the plant's needs, you create a sustainable and productive system that rewards you season after season. Passion fruit cultivation is a balance of sunlight, soil health, structure, and steady care, and when done correctly, the results are both beautiful and delicious.